What's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about a question that I'm starting to see online, and it kind of has to do with the fact that you have a lot of speakers that are going wireless these days, and that is, are the KRK Rokit studio monitors Bluetooth compatible? Bluetooth is great. It's been around for quite a long time now, and it really adds kind of another dimension to powered studio monitor speakers. It's a great way to kind of use them, or really a brand new way to use them. In fact, with Bluetooth, there's a lot of things that you can do. For starters, you can keep your monitors connected to your mixer or your audio interface, such as this Apollo UAD that I have right here. And while at the same time listening to music or audio from your other device. So, essentially, if I had a Bluetooth connection with these, I could have them plugged into my mixer, my interface, but then turn on my phone and play some music off of it, and that way it's just cool. It gives me better control over my system from any room in the house. I can hook it up to my laptop, I can hook it up to my gaming console, et cetera, et cetera. There are quite a few studio monitors on the market that do have built-in Bluetooth. The PreSonus Ceres is a really good example of that. They're really compact monitors, and they have Bluetooth in addition to the quarter-inch and the quarter-inch TRS cables that come with it. Now, for KRK Rokit monitors, they don't actually come with Bluetooth built in. And a lot of people are asking, well, if I have a pair of powered monitors that I really, really love already, such as the KRK Rokits, is it possible for me to use them with Bluetooth? Well, good thing there is a way to do so. You have to essentially set up a Bluetooth wireless adapter. One of the most popular ones that I've seen around is the Audio Engine B1. It essentially kind of serves as a bridge between your studio monitors and your Bluetooth devices. It helps to kind of receive your streaming signal, and then it sends a line level output to the speaker's inputs. So as you can see in the back of these KRK Rokit 8 G4s here, there is the balanced input. So essentially you would just send out a TRS or instrument cable from your balanced input and into the studio monitors, and you'd be pretty much good to go. You can enjoy the same kind of convenience, the same expanded options that you get from powered studio monitors that have Bluetooth built in. Bluetooth wireless adapters typically have a right and left channel RCA output, although the new KRK Rokit monitors, as we know, do not come with RCA inputs like they used to. They used to come with two mono RCA inputs, and they don't anymore. So you're probably going to have to get an adapter if you do. But the cool thing is knowing that it is possible. You definitely could go out and invest in a pair of regular Bluetooth studio monitors if that's what you're really serious about, just having that easy connection. But if you really like the sound of the KRK Rokit monitors, then there's no reason to sacrifice that sound just to get your hands on the Bluetooth, the built-in Bluetooth capabilities, especially when you can just get an adapter to use. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this little video on the KRK Rokit and Bluetooth compatibility. If you guys have any questions or insights, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.